nanawagan na ako, no? Kasi we made a commitment City of Manila. Ito na, at least let me use this avenue. All those temples or any other services na gagamitin. Hindi na po kayo po pwedeng magtakit. Simula last week po, sinabi ko na ito po at saka kay Engineer Rafi, nang walang kukunin pahintulog muna sa Meralco. It's the other way around. Dati, mula ang Meralco, basta inaprubahan ng City Hall, maglalatag na. At ang gagamitin panangga, pag sinita na mga operatives o inspector ng Meralco, may permiso kami sa local government. Ngayon, ni-reverse ko. Because they know better than us the load capacity of every post. And they understand very well kung ano lang ang dapat na nakasampag dyan. So, ang ginawa ko, as a matter of policy of the city, kaya yung mga magkakabit, that goes to everyone. They're not measuring things. It is now, Meralco, who will say yes or no, o kung kayo makakapaglapat sa poste ng Meralco. If it is for development, and if it is workable and feasible, I don't think Meralco will deny your request. But if it is not, then we will heed and follow the direction of Meralco. Kasi at the end of the day, through high-tension wire, ano yan, mas delikado yan para sa mamamayan namin. Kaya naka-reverse na. So, I think that statement is being addressed to future developer of our utilities using our lamppost or Meralco lamppost.
Sir, ano lang for those first time to makikita or both, bukod sa sakit sa mata, gaano siya kadelikado?
As I have said, it's the load. May particular load ng mga poste. At yung ibang poste, in fairness, sa pag-usapan na rin namin last week, yung mga for ano na, anong tawag na tatanggalin na retirement. For retirement. Yun, kailangan. Eh, karga mo ng karga ng load yun. Tutumba yan. Una, permission na yung kuryente pagka nawala. Pangalawa, iniiwasan natin siyempre buhay na pwedeng disgrasya o masaktan. So it's more on public safety. The eyesore concept or the eyesore idea, medicine lang yun. Pampasarap lang. But it's more on we are concerned with the safety of the pedestrian or the passers-by or those passing through our street. Hanggat maaari, siyempre. We cannot promise you 100%, but try to minimize the possibility of accident.
Guys, yun guys, ganda guys. Ganda guys.
Matagal-tagal to.
Atin siya guys. Guys, atin siya.
Hanggat may problema. Ano naman kasi yan yung urban flight niyan, initiative ng Meralco. Hindi lang naman dito sa Maynila. I think they're gonna do it sa area na siniservice. They're just taking the advantage of them going back to Manila and throw all the necessary support ng city government agencies na mapagtagumpayan nila yung plano nilang maisaayos, maitama at maging ligtas yung mga posto at kawal ng kuryente.
Same question lang po ang hindrance pagsobra namin ng 2 years ago.
Yun guys, ang ganda guys.
Supportive si Vice sa mayor. Ano? Supportive si Vice. Sana lahat ng Vice ganyan.
Sana ganyan kaganda. Bait.